What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can print your tickets. There are two ways, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So guys, basically before we start, it will mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you keep reminded whenever we post another amazingly useful tutorial. So guys, about printing tickets. So when you finally get the ticket for the event you desire, there are a couple ways you can print your own tickets. Obviously, the first one, you require a printer. So if you own a printer in your house, you can print it, obviously. And basically for the second one also, you do require a printer, obviously. So there are two ways. So first of all is go to your account and then go to my tickets and upcoming events. So unfortunately currently I do not own any tickets, but I can explain you either way. So let's say over here I have a MetRife comedy show ticket. So when you select the ticket, you are having couple options on your screen. So first and foremost, basically when you buying tickets, you can go to a mobile ticket or PDF ticket. If you buy PDF ticket, you can just basically select that PDF file and basically print it. But also if you're having a mobile ticket, you're having an option to print, and obviously if you own a printer you can just select print and that card will be printed. So guys, a really easy process. So either way, if you're having a PDF ticket, it's a bit easier, but if you have a mobile ticket, you can also print it by selecting a print option when you enter your ticket. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. As always, thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial. Goodbye guys.